What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? I'm a doctor. I'm a doctor. What work do you do? What work do you do? I'm a teacher and project manager. I'm a teacher and project manager. I work for an online teaching company. I work for an online teaching company. I work for myself. I work for myself. I'm self-employed. I'm self-employed. I'm a freelance photographer. I'm a freelance photographer. I run a bakery. I run a bakery. I work in the tech industry. I work in the tech industry. I work with computers. I work with computers. My job involves taking care of children. My job involves taking care of children. I don't have a job. I don't have a job. I'm a student. I'm a student. I haven't applied for a job yet. I haven't applied for a job yet. I'm looking for a job right now. I'm looking for a job right now. Send your resume over to this email. Send your resume over to this email. I got a job interview. I got a job interview. Where do you work? Where do you work? I work at Jeffersonville Hospital. I work at Jeffersonville Hospital. I work at Google. I work at Google. I work with Green Corporation. I work with Green Corporation. I'm between jobs at the moment. I'm between jobs at the moment. How much do you earn? How much do you earn? I earn $50,000 every year. I earn $50,000 every year. My salary is $50,000 a year with lots of benefits. My salary is $50,000 a year with lots of benefits. I don't earn much. I don't earn much. I got laid off. I got laid off. I got fired. I got fired. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I'm a stay-at-home mom. What do you like most about your job? What do you like most about your job? What I like most about my job is collaboration. What I like most about my job is collaboration. I'm retired. I'm retired.